Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Dice, and today we're going to talk about water programming. Let's begin. So yesterday I was scrolling through YouTube looking for new subliminals and new binaural beats to listen to. But first of all, before we begin, I would like to ask you to leave me in the comments below if you listen to any type of subliminals or binaural beats. And let me know if they have done you any good in any situation. But well, this video really blew me away because it was unique in its kind, and it was not a subliminal to listen to. And in fact, it was not even a subliminal for humans. Let me explain to you what do I mean by that. And anyway, if you want to listen to this video, check it out in the description. I will leave the link below. So, this video is called Water Programmer. What you have to do with this video is to put the audio near your water to create a memory inside the molecules of your water that absorb the affirmations of the video, that you can see them in the description, that include such as more energy, positive vibrations, remove of blockages, and many more. You really should check this video out because I think it's life-changing. Well, for many of you that don't know, a Japanese scientist called Masaru Emoto did an experiment on water droplets inside Petri glasses in which he talked differently to water. For example, for some droplets he said, "I hate you, I will kill you." And snowflakes didn't even form. It was like a black form of water molecules. And when he talked to the water nicely, amazing and really beautiful snowflakes appeared on the water. For example, the words good, the words thank you, the words I love you. Even in music, when he put heavy metal on the water didn't respond correctly. It was almost blackish, and the energy was really bad. And when he put Mozart and Beethoven, the music got better, and the water got beautiful as well. So, what do I mean by this? Try to use this water programmer that I said before, and put it in your water. But before that, try and taste it for a while, as it's normally the taste of water, and then try to put the audio that I'm talking to you about for at least 4 to 5 times, and you will see the difference in taste in your water. I'm really not kidding. You can really try to experiment with this, and you have nothing to lose. But well, the point of the experiment of Masaru Emoto is to show that the way we talk and vibrate around water is really vital to how we absorb the water. For example, if you're feeling anxious and you're drinking water, you will vibrate the anxiety to your water. Nonetheless, when you drink the water, more anxiety will come to you. You will absorb more anxiety because you mirror that feeling to your water. And also remember that water is the liquid that keeps us all alive. And we humans are composed of 95% or around that number of water in our whole body. So imagine if we vibrate with water, 90% of us will already be clear for a path of a great life. Well, really hope you can try this experiment out. I already tried it and it's phenomenal. The results are really incredible. And I really believe this is something really unique that can change many people's lives. And, well, I believe that if we use this for a while and for all the water that we drink, we can change our mindset, our subconscious, our conscious mind, our body, and we can be healed from any type of negative energy from the world. And well, if you don't like this audio in specific, you can try to do one on yourself. You can put affirmations around your water to also absorb the memory in the molecules of what you are drinking. You can put nice music as well, and you can tell water that you love it, and that you also would like to have a nice life with it. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and follow me on Instagram for more at DiceMind for more positivity and good content and feed. Well, goodbye for now. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye now. Hello YouTube. Welcome to